Well, welcome back. Welcome back to the 2021-2022 tax season. And I am Sharon Love of Accountability Plus Tax Services. First thing first, let me say this and get this out the way because this is really important. If you file for a PPP through our office, you have until December 31st of 2021 to file for forgiveness. If you do not, you'll be paying that money back. So, here's how this is going to go. You have two options. Option number one, you can do it yourself. You have to send us an email at aplustaxinfo@gmail.com and ask us for the link. Or two, we can do it for you, which will be a charge, okay? So you have those two options. Either you do it yourself or we can do it for you. But you have until December 31st, which is a few days left, to get that done, okay? All right, so let's jump into something else real quick. PPP, do you have to put that on your tax return for 2021? Guess what? No, you don't. It is excluded from your tax return, okay? However, you can include all your expenses that you use the money for, okay? So that is a great thing, okay? But I want you guys to think about something. If you filed for a PPP and you said that you made X amount of dollars in 2020 to get the PPP, 2021, it needs to have the same energy, okay? So you need to file your true income. Just so y'all know, the feds is giving you up to 6 years to keep up with the PPP. So just because it's gotten forgiven does not mean that they cannot go back on you and ask you for information. So make sure that you guys keep up with your information in regards to PPP. Let's move on to taxes. Taxes, the first day of the filing season is going to be January 21st. However, you can still come in early to get your loans. Loans start January 3rd, okay? Up to $6,000, you can get a loan. Taxes are going to be held back this year as well. The IRS is still behind from last year, so imagine now, we're in a whole new tax season, and they are still behind. So, if you can't wait and you need a loan, we'll be in the office January 3rd to do loans, okay? Self-employed people, you guys can do loans anytime because you're self-employed, and that means that you're actually claiming your own income. If you have a W-2, you need to wait on your W-2, okay? Let's be clear with that. Wait on those W-2s. Another thing, the IRS is going to be sending you guys letters. If you got additional child tax credit, like the $250 or the $300, you're going to need those letters to file your taxes, okay? If you misplaced the letter, the next best thing for you to do is go on irs.gov and get you an IRS account. Create an account. That account will tell you everything that you have filed from since you've been filing. It'll show you what's been claimed on you. It'll show your transcript. It'll show you all your stimulus payments. It shows you everything. Excuse me. Take the time out, guys, to go ahead and get you an IRS account. It's worth it, okay? It's a click. You got to identify yourself. They're going to ask you some questions. You answer the questions. Boom. You have access to your account. It's real easy. Number 3, tax season. Woo-woo! We're excited. We're always excited about tax season. So, start booking your appointments, okay? We're going to send you guys out a link probably in about another few days so you can start booking your appointments and getting in. Listen, we are still in a pandemic, okay? We still have to respect the fact that there's COVID out there. We are taking virtual appointments. However, if you just want to come into the office because you just want to be in the midst, in the environment, we're okay with that too. But make sure, do us a favor. Make sure that you're not sick. Make sure you don't have a fever. Make sure you have not been exposed to anybody who has COVID. Protect us, okay, so we can take care of you, all right? So that's the only thing we do ask. If you are sick, you do not have to come in there. We can do a Zoom call, and it is just as effective as you walking into the office. All right, that's all I really have to say. If you're not following us on Facebook, make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This year, I'm going to make sure that that is my first platform that I use to communicate with clients. So, if you're not following us, we're on Instagram at Accountability Plus Tax Service and Facebook Accountability Plus Tax Service. We also have a Facebook group just for our tax clients, which is called Accountability Plus Tax Chronicles. As we get updates, we're going to give it to you live and in color. You're going to get them first, okay? So listen, guys, this is going to be a great tax season. There's a lot of credits out there. There's a lot of money on the table. A lot of money on the table. So make sure you get your big refund from Accountability, okay? Y'all have a happy new year, and I'll see you soon. Book your appointment.